Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can record a video in ProRes format on your iPhone 13 camera. Now first let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, you first need to go into settings and turn on the feature. So we tap on settings. In settings you want to go down and tap on camera. So we go down and tap on camera. Next, in here you go down and tap on formats. Then go down to the video capture section and tap on Apple ProRes switch to turn it on. And once it is on, we can now go back to your camera. Okay, so we're going to open up the camera app and then we tap on video. At the top here you can tap on the shortcut button ProRes. Otherwise you can swipe up and open up the ProRes control. In here you can choose ProRes on or off. Okay, so we can choose on and then you can start to record your video. Okay, and once you have recorded a video, then you can edit. So you can choose edit, and there are a lot of other editing settings that you can change. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.